Welcome back to another video. So if you've been following along in my journey with the Lexus GX 460, I love this vehicle. And in a previous video, I did a comparison between this vehicle and the new 2025 RX 350. And my number one gripe on the RX is that they've cut out the V6 engine that's been in there for so many years. They put in a turbo 4-cylinder, and I really was excited to go to a V8 engine. One thing I've noticed about this V8 engine is while it has the power, you really don't hear anything, and it's very muffled. It's almost like suppressed. So I started researching, like, is there anything you can do just to like liven it up a little bit? Like, I don't want it to be like super loud or anything. So what I looked at is what could we possibly do that would make this thing sound a little beefier, just get a little more sound out of it without being too loud or too obnoxious. And so after researching, I chose this Corsa Pro muffler, which is actually made for a car, but it works perfectly fine on this vehicle. So this video is going to be about swapping out the muffler. There's another term for this called muffler delete. Basically, you're just taking out the stock muffler, putting in this aftermarket muffler, and we'll see what we end up with. The biggest issue with doing anything with the exhaust on this is that you get what they call a drone, where the sound of the rumble or the, depending on the RPMs, it creates this sort of negative cabin sound. One extreme is you just cut off the whole exhaust and just have it do what they call straight piping. There's something called cat back, which I think is like from the catalytic converters to the back. It's just a straight pipe. But I decided to try one thing that I think would have the biggest effect for the lowest amount of money, and that is just to swap out the muffler. And I think that's what's doing most of the dampening of the sound. And there it is. So this is a Corsa Performance. So this is a cut and weld. This is not a bolt-on or, clamp-on type of muffler. There is such a thing as a mobile muffler man. And I have a guy coming to my house, and he's going to cut and weld this in. So this is around $300 for this muffler. Are you going to be able to use that hanger there?
It's so light, it's probably not even going to need a hanger.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'll leave this one here. The pipe will be so tense in place that it'll just like support itself once it's all back together. This is the part about welding that kind of, can be a little bit of a bear.
Yeah.
This is where a lot of guys cut corners and F things up really bad.
Yeah.
Because
so that piece will go up.
What's that?
Like it'll tuck back up, I guess.
Which piece?
That piece down there.
Yeah, this yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it'll be. And if I have to put a hanger up there, I'll put a hanger up there. Even if I got to run to the auto parts store or whatever.
Because I just want to make sure the exhaust pipe is still straight.
Oh, for sure, in the back, yeah. Before,
yeah.
That's why I'm just like fitting everything up now,
yeah.
where I can still cut off any of these tacks and move stuff around.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Get in real trouble sometimes, and I usually put like a rag in the back also, because sometimes when you weld everything together, metal can distort, and you'll get like a surprise at the end where the tailpipe is then touching the bumper and you got to start all over.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's a pretty crappy way to end the day, I'll tell you that.
Yeah. we did all this work. Austin has not seen or heard anything yet, so this will be a complete shocker. Maybe we'll see.
I don't know. We'll see.
I'm gonna do the remote start. If you don't know how remote start works, so you press the lock twice and then hold it down. 1, 2, hold down.
Okay. There's a little bit more heft to it. I bet once you start driving, it's gonna be louder.
So now we're just on like native microphone, not the noise canceling or anything, so we can hear just like what it sounds like in the car. Again, the engine's cold, so this is a cold startup. All right, so this is just standard driving under, 2,000 RPM. It's pretty, I'd say it's pretty much the same. Like you can hear some rumble. I mean, it definitely has, you can definitely hear it. 3,000 RPM. I'm gonna take off. So in total, the muffler was, you can get this muffler on sale for under $300. I found a guy local here in Charlotte that comes to use a mobile welder basically, but he does custom exhaust and exhaust repairs, muffler repairs, stuff like that. But he came to my house and did the entire thing with all materials, labor. It took about 3 hours, and the guy's very meticulous about his work and just allowed me to kind of like take videos and everything, and the total of all the labor was less than $200, so it was a super deal. I had called around to other places around Charlotte, and they were all they're all quoting me over $200, and this guy not only came to my house but then did all the work right in my driveway for under $200. So super deal. I'll leave his contact information in the description in case there's anyone in the Charlotte area. All right, here's the original exhaust, and this weighs about 40 pounds, I would say. So a couple things. One is, if there's someone out there that has a lease of this vehicle and is turning in the lease, and they have to put the stock exhaust back on, so sometimes you can sell these mufflers for like $1,000 because the person just has to buy that muffler again. Or you can keep it, down the road. I don't know. I might just keep it because if I do a modification, I like to keep the original stuff, so I'll just put it in storage. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and stick around for future videos. Thanks for watching.